The tutorial for the free version of Asana in 2024 demonstrates how to effectively utilize Asana for project management. In this comprehensive guide, we delve into the step-by-step process of creating an account, setting up your first project, and navigating the platform's features. To begin, you'll need to create an account with Asana. If you're already logged in, you can simply log out to access the sign-up page. Once there, you'll enter your email and complete the registration process, including verifying your email address. After creating your account, you'll be prompted to set up your first project by providing a project name and adding tasks. Asana offers various views, including list, board, timeline, and calendar, allowing you to choose the layout that best suits your project management needs. Within each project, you can customize task lists, assign priorities, track statuses, and manage dependencies. Additionally, Asana provides features for collaborating with team members, such as adding comments, attachments, and due dates to tasks. Throughout the tutorial, we explore the functionality of the free version of Asana, which includes a 27-day trial period. Despite being a basic version, it offers essential tools for organizing tasks, tracking progress, and streamlining workflows. Following this tutorial, you'll gain a comprehensive understanding of how to leverage Asana for efficient project management, empowering you to enhance productivity and achieve your project goals effectively.